Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and today we are doing a Shop Miss A haul. This time we are doing more of like a home goods, accessories, like everything besides makeup. I think I have one or two products from makeup category, but I decided this time to make it more of like a gadgets kind of a video. So yeah, if you've never heard about Shop Miss A is a website where you can find a lot of products under $2, and mainly like $1.50, $1.80, $2 depending on the product. Alright guys, first thing I got are kitchen tongs. I love these, the small ones, because sometimes you just need to grab like a few things that are really small. So I do have big ones, but I have only one piece that are small. So I saw these ones and I'm like, these are too cute to pass and not to have. So I got myself a pair of these ones. Right, so the kitchen tongs were $1.88. They did have a few other colors. Now, as usual, guys, if you see anything that you need or want to grab, I'm going to leave the links to the products in the description, in the captions of this video down below. So yeah, these ones were $1.88. Seriously, how cute are they? These are going into my kitchen right now. Yes, the next I got the washable, reusable lint roller. Now we have a dog, and as you know, I have a little baby, and a lot of times she is around him, she's on the couch. So lint roller is a must in our house. Plus, I don't like when I have her hair all over my clothes either. So having something like this is pretty neat, and I would say very handy dandy. But also, like, look at this color. Super cute. I would definitely put it by the couch somewhere where we are mainly, you know, habitating. So yeah, I'm going to take this off. It's sticky. Oh my goodness, it's sticky. I don't have anything else to roll in right now, guys, but it's definitely very sticky. So it's going to pick up. It's definitely going to pick. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it pulls on my skin. Do you guys see? Yeah. So yeah, this one works. All right, so the roller was $1.88. You can't beat that, okay? So this one was a win. All right guys, I don't know about you, but I love candles, and a lot of times we're buying the big candles, and I had a few situations where I blew the candle and the wax went all over the place. So yeah, and wax usually is really hard to, you know, clean up. So yeah, I saw this on Shop Miss A and I'm like, I gotta have it. Now, it's bigger than I thought it would be. It's definitely big, but I do like the design. It looks very luxurious, actually. I got it for $1.88, but honestly, it looks pretty cool. And actually, I think it would be pretty cool as a decor, you know, piece of a decor somewhere. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be sharing my experience with the bath bombs from Shop Miss A for $1.80, for $1.55. If this is good, if it's as good as it smells, I'm definitely going to stock up on bunch of them. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. The next thing I got is silicone heat resistant mat. I am not doing my hair as much anymore, but I know as Dylan is gonna get older, I'm gonna get back into like curling my hair, you know, do a little more stuff with my hair. Right now I don't really have time. However, I saw this on their website, and a lot of times I'm doing like either next to my rug, my hair, or like, you know, next to watching TV on my sofa. So when I saw the silicone heat resistant mat, I had to have it. Let me take it out and see how big it is. Ooh, look at that. You can just roll it around and put it in your purse if you need to, and or if you travel, and ta-da! This is how it looks like. And this is like, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see. It's not the thickest mat that I have ever owned, but it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good, and I like that it's like no slip. So if you're gonna put it on, it's not gonna slip around. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys. The next, I got reusable stretch lids. This is how big they are. They come in 3. They're pretty thin, I would say. Mainly I'm excited about the smallest one because I got some jars where I'm storing the my breast milk in the refrigerator before I warm it up to bottle feed Dylan. And those caps are kind of sometimes getting loose and they're just weird. So when I saw these, I'm like, I gotta try it. I didn't know the size, like what size they are. So now I'm definitely, I definitely know which one to look for. I went ahead and grabbed the jar that I'm talking about. Mainly I bought this for this purpose, just to know, like, see? Ta-da! And it's really easy to take it out, put it in, and here we go. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna get few like small ones, a few more small ones if they have it separately. This is pretty neat. I probably need like 5 more. Check it out, guys. There's a little smile in there. That's so cute. $133 for 3 of them. Totally worth it. Guys, I am self-conscious about so many things, but my main thing, like right now, my bosoms, my 2 big melons are extra big, and a lot of times when I'm wearing clothes and they're loose, I'm afraid that it's gonna reveal, and I am not quite, I don't know, my clothing style is not exactly to have my boobies flopping around. So double-sided tape, it was something that I was looking for, and they did have it for $1.88. It's definitely worth it. As you can see, it definitely has a pretty good amount of product, and a lot of times you don't really need a lot of it. You just need like a little bit on the sides, or let's say if you want like a strap. Sometimes I have shirts that the strap keeps like going off, so this is a way to kind of keep it in place and in the place that you want to, not like wobbling around. Must have in my books. Glad I found it. Definitely gonna restock it when I'm gonna run out. Recently, guys, they came out with a lot of nail stuff, and I think they even have like nail polishes and stuff. I didn't get nail polishes this time, but if you guys want me to try Shop Me Say nail things, polishes, like all of this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments down below what exactly would you want me to try. I'll be more than happy to do it for you, to see if you need any of that or no. But yeah, these stickers are so gorgeous. Just take a look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna do a TikTok with them. Now my nails are pretty short, but I'm definitely going to use them. So make sure that you're following me on TikTok and Instagram, because I'm gonna share, totally gonna share how they apply and how they look like on the nails, and they are only $1. What? All right, the next thing I'm really excited. It's the plastic crate. They do have it in different sizes, however the other sizes were sold out. I'm definitely looking forward to see when they are back on stock, because I'm definitely gonna grab some more. Don't you love it how they come all packed up and sealed? I love this. Like every single product is sealed. I don't even know how they do that. It's pretty cool. I hope the other, because they have large, medium, and small, I hope the other ones are gonna get back in stock. Definitely gonna purchase some more. They do have a few other colors too, but I decided to get this one. So check this out, you guys. It just pops like this, and then you pop it. Honestly, it doesn't feel flimsy. Like the plastic is pretty steady, like, you know what I mean? It, like, you have to put pressure for it to kind of wobble around. So yeah, that's pretty cool for $1.88. That's pretty cool. Next, you guys, I have the green tea plus vitamin E makeup melt. I did get the little version. Like they have the I think it was 1 ounce or 35 ounces. I don't remember. They have two sizes of the makeup melt. I got the little one the last time to try it and it worked. The best part is it didn't irritate, because a lot of times I would get makeup melt and it would irritate my eyes. It did pretty good job on, you know, melting off all my makeup and so on. So I did really like it, and I decided to go ahead and get the big one. So the small one is 0.5 ounces and it's $1.77. And then there is the big one. The big one is 3.38 ounces and it's $8.77. So it's definitely worth getting the bigger one, of course. Love the fact that it comes in with a scoop. Have a scoop, so you get the scoop out. It's cruelty free, you guys, and this actually is Korean. I don't know about you, but I know Korean beauty, Korean skincare is good. And I got some makeup. So the first thing that I got is AOA, the green. Like, if you've been watching my videos, you know I have rosacea, I have red skin underneath all this makeup. So yeah, green cancels the redness. I'm definitely gonna give it a try and see how I feel about it. Again, it might be just a quick TikTok or Reels on Instagram to let you know if it's good or not. But yeah, I got this one as well. Then I saw, I think it was on their page, on Shop Miss A page, the Freckles pen marker. The Freckles marker. Now I do have freckles naturally, but they're kind of chaotic and I'm not a fan of how they are looking on my skin. Plus I have redness, so they look like I'm looking like, it's not a cute picture. I don't like it. However, I do like the idea of freckles, so I'm definitely gonna give this one a try and see if I can make it look cute. You know, so yeah, definitely it's gonna be a short little video. I'm not gonna try it right now. Lately I've been more and more into lip liners. So they do have retractable lip liners on their website. These ones are from AOA. Again, sometimes I'm not even looking at the brand and I always end up with AOA for some reason. Their products are always stand up to me personally, and honestly I don't do that on purpose. It just somehow it does. They do sell different kind of like different brands of makeup. AOA always ends up in my cart. All right, so I did get all 9 colors. I'm not gonna take it out. Well, I'm gonna take one out and show you how they look like. This is how it looks like. Actually, we are getting pretty decent amount of the product in there. Retractable lip liners normally are super soft, so I always suggest not to press too hard, which I did right now, and it broke. But this is the color. Again, I'm not going to swatch them today, but I'm going to definitely do a video either for TikTok Reels or on YouTube. Let me know if you guys want to see it here or any other platform. The next thing that I got is this plate cover for the microwave. I don't know about you, but I like sometimes to warm up my soups, sometimes other meals, and they blow everywhere, and I hate that. So this, when I saw this, I'm like, I gotta have it. They did have few different sizes. I got the small one, I think. So they have a large one and a small one. I did get the small one because I mainly need it for my bowls, my soup bowls and stuff. So this should work out. I might buy the big one for, let's say, for if I have a bigger meal and I'm having a bigger plate. But so far, I think this is gonna work just fine. It does have like holes around, so it's not gonna pop out or anything. So it's gonna breathe. But yeah, for the soups and the bowls, it should work just fine. This one, the small one, is $133. All right, guys, the next I got a microfiber spa hair towel, headband, plus a scrunchie. So 3 items for $5.50. sign me up. I love me. I do have hair towels, but I use them all the time. And since I'm red hair, I'm staining a lot, so I do use them and change them once in a while, more than I wish. So there we go. Oh my goodness, this actually is so soft. Looks so good. They did have them in two colors. They had a pink and a gray. I do have already a pink, I mean different brand, but I got those from Amazon. I have them in pink, so I want this one in gray. It looks pretty cool, you guys. So it has on one end, it has the scrunchie. So you kind of put it on, flip it around, and then tie it up. Like it has two buttons, depending on how tight you want it, or you know, depending on the length of your hair. But yeah, it's pretty long, it's pretty big. So I don't know about you, but I like these stuff. I might get the pink one as well, or maybe another gray one, because it feels really, really nice. So, and then the scrunchie. Ooh, look at the scrunchie. Isn't this scrunchie cool? Okay, let me put it on. This is cool. I like it. Look at this scrunchie. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. And then we have the here you go. Okay, I'm set. Can we start over? This actually looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. What do you guys say? Yeah, that was a steal for $5. All like the scrunchie and the headband and the towel. The towel alone. That is definitely a steal. All right, guys, this is it for today. Let me know what products was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below what else do you want me to try from Shop Miss A or any other brands or websites, you guys. I'll be more than happy to. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.